every autumn. I find myself amazed at how much of a difference this simple homemade mixture can make for onions and other seasonal plants. As the days grow shorter and temperatures begin to drop, plants face increased stress, making them more vulnerable to disease and slower growth. Providing them with natural support at this time not only strengthens their roots, but also improves their resilience and ensures a healthy, productive season. Autumn is an ideal time to focus on soil vitality, because nurturing the soil now will pay off in stronger, healthier plants when spring comes around. This mixture is not only easy to prepare, but also enriches the soil, encourages beneficial microorganisms, and provides a slow-release source of nutrients that your plants will love. Start by adding a tablespoon of yeast to half a liter of warm water. While yeast is most commonly associated with baking, it serves as a potent growth stimulator in the garden. Rich in B vitamins, amino acids, and enzymes, it encourages the proliferation of beneficial soil microbes. These microorganisms break down organic matter and convert it into nutrients that plants can absorb easily. Adding yeast to water revitalizes the soil's biological activity, which is particularly important in autumn when natural processes slow down. As an additional tip, make sure the water is lukewarm, not hot, to preserve the yeast activity and maximize its effect on the soil. The next ingredient is honey. Just half a teaspoon is sufficient to trigger a series of beneficial reactions. Honey contains natural sugars, minerals, and enzymes that nourish the soil microflora and accelerate the fermentation process started by the yeast. This ensures that nutrients become available to plants more quickly, while keeping the soil lively and rich in beneficial bacteria. For best results, use raw, unprocessed honey, as commercial processed honey may have fewer active enzymes and nutrients. The third component is wood ash, 1 tablespoon. Wood ash is an excellent natural source of potassium, calcium, and phosphorus, all crucial for root development, flower formation, and overall plant resilience. It also helps to neutralize soil acidity, creating a favorable environment for onions and other autumn crops. When using ash, always choose pure, untreated wood and avoid ash from painted or varnished wood. As an extra benefit, wood ash can help deter some soil pests naturally. Finally, add finely chopped banana peel. Bananas are rich in potassium, phosphorus, and other essential nutrients that support root growth and encourage the formation of larger, healthier bulbs. As the peel gradually decomposes, it slowly releases nutrients over time, providing a steady energy source for the plants. In addition, the peel attracts beneficial microorganisms that further enrich the soil and improve its structure. You can also mix a small amount of crushed eggshells with a banana peel to add extra calcium, which strengthens cell walls and supports overall plant health. Allow all the ingredients to sit for 24 hours to initiate natural fermentation. Afterward, strain the liquid and dilute it with 2 liters of water. This creates a mild but highly nutritious fertilizer that can be applied once a month to onions, flowers, and other perennials. Regular application not only boosts growth but also improves soil texture, strengthens plant resistance, and ensures a rich, healthy harvest. By taking the time to prepare this natural fertilizer, you're giving your plants the best chance to thrive, even as the weather cools. It's a simple, effective way to enhance your garden naturally and sustainably. Check out our next video on the screen. Thank you and happy gardening.